Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will be covering how to use and configure MCP servers in Traycer. So let's get right into it. As of right now, Traycer acts as an MCP client, so you can connect other remote MCP servers to it. To do this, you need to go to the Remote MCP settings page by going on platform.traycer.ai and clicking on Remote MCP servers. Alternatively, you can click on this icon in the Traycer UI itself to be directed there. You will see a couple of servers already there. You can set any of these up by just providing your relevant authentication information. For example, you just need to enter your API key to enable GitHub. For MCPs using OAuth, all you need to do is add and install the MCP. Then you will be redirected to its login page to finish authentication and activate it. Now, if you wish to add servers that are not listed here, you'll need to click on the Add Custom MCP option and fill in the details. I'm going to connect a Cloudflare MCP server as an example. So I just put in the URL, name it something sensible, and then select its authentication method. This uses OAuth, so I'm gonna select that and click on install. Then I will be redirected to Cloudflare to log in and authenticate this. Once I do that, my MCP server will be ready for use. If you are on a Traycer organization account, your MCP servers will be shared across that organization, and any new MCP servers that you add will have to be approved by the admin first. You can switch your account in the Traycer UI itself by clicking on the username in the MCP UI and selecting the account that you want to switch to. And as always, feel free to visit docs.traycer.ai for the official documentation that covers this and all of the Traycer features. That's all we have to discuss. Thank you for watching and happy building.